Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Dev's Kingdom. In my previous video, I showed you guys the Dream-7B, the best open source diffusion reasoning LLM outperformed LLM. And this is just for the paper overview, so feel free to check this out if you are interested in this new diffusion-based LLM. So today, they just released the model and the code base. So also there's a demo for it as well. So in this video, we're gonna do a test on this new Diffusion LLM and see how this performs. And you can see from the README, there's already samples to show you how to do it. And there are 3 samples for completion, for multi-turn, chat, and token control. So you can use those demos to test it on the local. But in this video, we're gonna run a test on Hugging Face. As you can see here, already I did some test. But we're going to go through the LLM examples, which claim to be the same as the Dream-7B. So you can see from the paper, basically the Dream-B compared to LLM, both of them are diffusion-based LLMs, and the Dream-7B claims to be better than LLM-AB. But they did not have enough examples, so we'll use the LLM announcement samples in it or the case studies to test and verify if Dream-7B is good or not. So let's get started. So first I will test some math problems. So first Emma decides to run 4 sprints 5 times a week. She runs 75 meters each sprint. How many total meters does she run a week? So this is a math question. So let's paste it into the chat. Let's paste into the chat. Let's try it out. You can see the remasking is working, so super cool. You can see this test is generated dynamically, which is super nice. As you can see here, so the explanation is there are 7 days in a week and Alma runs 4 sprints each day. So since she runs 75 meters each sprint, the total distance she runs in a day is 4 sprints. 75 meters is 300 meters. And since she runs this sprint 5 times a week, the total distance is 300 times 5, so this is cool. It's very nice. And let's go back to the test. So let's try another one. So daily life. So remember, this is actually from LLM. So, but we're using the LLM samples for the new Dream-7B. As you can see, LLM also returns the same results, which means the Dream-7B is working correctly. So the second question is daily life. So please recommend me 3 famous movies. Let's copy and paste the question. So let's copy and paste it. Send. As you can see, it's very nice. So super nice dynamic effect. So you can see the visualization for the process. Okay, the answer is sure. Here are 3 famous movies. You can see it's very fast. This runs very fast. Super nice. So The Shining, a 1980 directed film by Stanley Kubrick, based on the 1984 novel by Stephen King. The Godfather, a film series directed by Francis Coppola, based on the 1969 novel by Mario Puzo III. And Jurassic Park, based on the 1990 novel by Jay. So it's very nice. 3 movies. And let's go back to the samples. Okay, so yeah, so the LLM also actually gave a similar answer for Godfather, but the 2 other movies are different. Let's continue with the 3rd test in the code generation. So I already tested. Let's try it again. So let's copy and paste the request. So I'm writing Python code. I have an array. Please help me sort it from largest to smallest. As you can see, on the right side, it's generating the response. The code is... Here's the code. Oh, I didn't show the code, but if you see my earlier example, it did show the code. Maybe it's because of the context. Let's close, remove everything. Let's try it again. I'm writing Python code, have an array. Please help me sort it from largest to the smallest. Let's try that again. Okay, so start working. So probably it's because of the history of the chat. So you can see this is working correctly. So 529146, the sort and print array. So this is correct. And let's try another example. So the translation English to Chinese. Okay, let's try that. Interesting. So let's copy this English and paste it here. Let's still remove the context. Let's paste it. Let's try if this performs correctly. So, okay. So please help me translate into Chinese what is now proved as was only imagined. All right, this is correct. I think this is correct. Okay, so this also proved to be correct. So very cool. So English to German. So please help me translate into German. So what's now proved to was once only imagined. Okay, let's try that. Seems super correct as well. So let's go back to it. So okay, super cool. And let's try the next question. Multi-turn dialog case 1. So let's check. Could you help? Please share me with the initial 2 lines of Renault point the road not taken. Okay, so let's copy and paste here. Very cool. So let's see what letter shows. Certainly the initial lines of the Renault point. Point is the road not taken by Robert Frost. The 2 roads diverged in wood and okay, this is true. And sorry, I could not travel both. These lines are set. Okay, similar. So, okay, cool. So this is also pretty good. So then let's please help me translate into Chinese. So this is a multi-turn chat. So there's a history for that. So let's enter. Okay, actually, I think it did not translate to Chinese. So this one did not work. So you can see the latter did work. So it did actually translate everything to Chinese. But the Diffusion Dream-7 did not. So interesting. All right. Let's try that again. Let's see. Okay, now it's start to translate everything to Chinese. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Cool. So let's try another one. Okay. Oh, please translate into German. So, okay. Anyway, so let's continue with the other test. So, multi-turn dialog case 2. Okay. Let's remove that. Let's try that again. Natalia so trips a clip to 48 of her friends in April, and then she so have as many clips in May. How many clips did Natalia sell altogether in April and May? Let's try that. So 72 is correct. Let's try another question. Natalia sold 3 times as many items in June as she did in May. How many clips did Natalia sell altogether in these 3 months? Let's paste that question. Let's try that. To see if the model can understand the context. It's multi-turn in the diffusion world. Okay. Okay, cool. This is correct. So this is okay. But the final answer probably isn't correct. So this is 72, right? 72, that's supposed to be 144. So then let's try if it's 144. Yeah, it is 144. So the Dream-7B actually did not answer these correctly, even the calculation the numbers is correct, but final answer is not correct. So okay, but overall, I think the Dream-7B understand the question, even though in the paper you can see all the questions that from the LADA announcement. The LADA did a good job, but for the Dream-7B, there's some minor issues. So anyway, I think Dream-7B is still a pretty good model, and it is pretty good diffusion language model. So it's a very cool project. Feel free to check this out. So if you do feel this is helpful, please subscribe, like, or comment. If you have any questions, thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.